Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vandita Manohar, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And we have Sahib today. I mean, we've been seeing a lot of Sahib nowadays because right now we're staying together and he'll be moving to his place in like another day. And
tomorrow.
Yeah, he's moving to his place tomorrow, so every weekend you might see him after that. But yeah, today is the 17th of August and we are now headed to explore New York. Maybe not, New York is a huge city, okay? So we can't explore everything, but today what's the agenda? Central Park?
Square Park.
Washington Square Park.
A few museums.
Maybe just one or two, because I'm a museum person, he's not, so we have to meet in the middle. So maybe one or two museums, and just I really want to take a cycle and like cycle around Central Park.
The bull, we'll see the bull.
Everything. I want to eat like pizzas in New York. I want to go to
Two bro pizzas.
I've heard a lot about that. And Sahib very kindly got us cut fruits. Dude, the quality of fruits is so good over here. I can't even tell you, like, this is the best strawberry I've eaten in my whole life. Don't you think so? You don't eat strawberries anyways, but
the grapes are good.
It's too good. And can you see the size of the grapes? Like, it's this big. Like, this
everything
is
else is bigger. Even the onions are like huge. The tomatoes are huge.
Everything is very. It's amazing, yeah. I mean, I'm in love. So yeah, we're just all ready to go. I'll see you guys in a bit when we head out. Hi you guys, I am New York ready, and actually we are New York ready and we're in this elevator. So this is gonna get us to the station, and from there we're taking an NJ Transit, that's the train, all the way to New York.
I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost, but let's get lost in love tonight.
So we're in the train to Lincoln Harbor, and from where now? So we need to take two trains to get to New York, and one way costs us around $2.25. So I think it's fine, it's not a lot, and I love my hair color actually, it's nice. So yeah. Moving around here is actually really simple, and I mean, I am never going to be bored of the skyline. I can see it from my room, but just look at that, dude. It is so good. It looks so good in person. I can't even tell you. I am living my 15-16-year-old dream of coming here. I'm so overwhelmed by just looking at it. Just standing here, traveling in these buses, these trains is so fucking fast. Too good. I just don't know what to say. Actually very nice, and especially today, I'm in love. I'm actually in love with this place. This is the Lincoln Harbor. We are now here trying to take another bus, but I can't see another bus anytime soon. I think we have to wait, but we're here to take a bus, and then from here we head to New York City.
Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head, it's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always say.
I'm I'm in Times Square right now and it is so good, so good. I saw Hard Rock Cafe, Taco Bell and everything. It's beautiful. It's so worth the hype and I just can't wait to see more. We just had pizzas and it was amazing. The quantity is so good, the portion size is so large and I'm full. I'm actually full now. I really want to drink something because it's so New Yorky, so American to actually hold a cup everywhere you go. I've just noticed that from the time I've landed here, everybody's just constantly sipping onto something and this is where we are. A year ago today we were in Daddy's and exactly 1 year later on the same date we're in Times Square. So it's an amazing upgrade that we've gotten. We're very happy about it. And we went to the M&M world here. It is so good. Every adult would actually turn into a kid over there.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love.
So we've actually taken the tour bus to just go around New York and now we'll be exploring the city on this bus. I'm excited. Let's go. We're doing the most touristy thing ever in New York City and I'm so excited. This is the top view bus. Are you excited?
Yep.
The best thing we could actually do is just check it out.
Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say tonight again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together.
We are now headed to the Washington Square Park. It's quite a walk actually. We've been walking for the last 5 minutes and every place here you have to walk. At this point I'm so used to it. But yeah, I mean, let's go to the park now.
Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong, and all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to say the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten.
at the Charging Bull statue, and we're gonna get pictures here. And after this, I think we're gonna go to the Statue of Liberty because that's what I want to see. And we just saw the World Trade Center. It was so good. That is the Statue of Liberty, but then we're very far from it, and we don't have enough time to take a ferry to it. Maybe next time, but check this place out. After being here in New York for almost a day, I genuinely feel like this is a place for like proactive people. You can make so much happen. The city never sleeps. It's filled with fun happening, happy people actually, because everybody I actually spoke to are so full of life, and it's just so beautiful. Just wish I lived here, but today is such a good day.
Yeah.
Today is such a good day. We never expected so much from today, but we accidentally just like very impromptu decision to take the Top View bus, and I think it was one of the best decisions ever. We did overpay for it, but I mean it's okay. It's the first time, and later maybe.
I think $50 is fine.
Yeah, $50 is fine for this, and you're getting such a good view and
Wi-Fi.
free Wi-Fi and
Earphones.
yeah, earphones. I mean, you get like a lot of information, so I think that's a good deal. But anyways, we'll come back. We'll have to come back anyways to just like check each and every place out in detail. But for now, we just went through the places. That's all we have time for. Maybe sometime else. What's our plan next? Pier 36.
No.
The vessel, Pier 36.
The vessel.
Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten forever, forever. Let's run away together.
Alright guys, it was one amazing day, and I can't even emphasize on how amazing it was. I don't even know if you can hear me properly because of the wind, but how do you like it?
It's amazing. We found a wonderful lady who paid for our tickets.
Yeah, like because we forgot to actually pay for our tickets. I mean, we didn't know we had to take our tickets there. We thought we could take it on the bus, but it was still good. It was still good. I loved it. This one amazing lady actually offered us a ticket. We offered to pay her, but then she didn't take it. So people are amazing. I told you, people here are beautiful. They're amazing. They are so filled with kindness, and I mean it when I say they will have conversations with you. It's good. And right now the view that I'm sitting to is amazing. This is like I think 10 minutes away from my house, but you need to check this out, so I'm going to show you the view. So that's the vessel, and that is, let me just zoom in. So that red dot over there is the most famous H&M building, but my camera is just not picking that up, but ta-da.
Hey, Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Hey, put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter.